Are you tired of the daily grind, dreaming of white sandy beaches and early retirement? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to share with you 9 ways on how to retire sooner than you think. Way 1. Invest in yourself. The first step to early retirement is investing in yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investments, and retirement planning. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Way 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is key to saving money for retirement. Cut unnecessary expenses, prioritize needs over wants, and focus on building wealth instead of accumulating stuff. Way 3. Start early. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to compound interest, even small contributions can add up over time and help you retire earlier than you think. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Maximize retirement accounts. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k), S, and IRAs. Contribute as much as you can, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. It's essentially free money that can accelerate your path to early retirement. Way 5. Diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments reduces the risk of losing money and increases the potential for higher returns. Mix various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments to create a well-balanced portfolio. Way 6. Avoid debt. Debt can slow down your progress towards early retirement. Avoid high-interest debt like credit cards, pay off loans as quickly as possible, and live within your means to stay on track with your financial goals. Way 7. Generate passive income. Create multiple streams of passive income to supplement your savings. This could be through rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or starting a side hustle. The more passive income you have, the closer you are to financial independence. Way 8. Plan for healthcare costs. Healthcare expenses can eat into your retirement savings. Plan ahead by understanding Medicare, estimating future healthcare costs, and exploring long-term care insurance options to protect your finances in retirement. Way 9. Visualize your retirement. Finally, visualize your retirement lifestyle. Create a clear vision of what early retirement looks like for you, set specific goals, and stay motivated by imagining the freedom and fulfillment that come with financial independence. By following these 9 ways, you can retire sooner than you think. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch your dreams of early retirement become a reality. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Start planning for early retirement now and make your dreams a reality. Subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.